Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best explosion box is probably one of the most heartwarming and creative gifts you can give this Mother's Day. Imagine the look on your mom's face as she unfolds a box filled with personalized photos, heartfelt messages, and delightful surprises. This isn't just a gift, it's a memory chest, a testament to your love and appreciation, and a unique way to celebrate the most important woman in your life. Number 5. Koogel Explosion Gift Box, DIY Photo Album. This isn't just a gift box, it's a treasure chest of memories. You get to design every detail and choose each photo, adding personal touches that reflect your thoughtfulness. It's a unique way to show your love and care. This explosion box is perfect for any special occasion. Whether it's Valentine's Day, a birthday, or an anniversary, it's a one-of-a-kind gift that will be cherished forever. Each layer reveals a new surprise. The package includes an instruction guide and a tutorial video. You can easily add up to 36 photos. With multi-layered designs, it's like flipping through a time album, letting the recipient enjoy your memories. The included accessory pack has everything you need to make this gift truly personal. Photo corner stickers, colorful pens, and more are included. It gives you the freedom to make the gift special. When the black gift box opens, a super surprise awaits. 4 layers of cards explode, ready for your photos. The smallest gift box can hold small gifts, creating an unforgettable memory for your loved ones. This DIY explosion box is ideal for couples, family, and friends. It's perfect for birthdays, anniversaries, and holidays. It can also capture travel memories and other significant events. What we like? This explosion box is all about personalization. You get to design every detail and choose every photo, making it a truly unique gift. It holds up to 36 photos, allowing you to create a beautiful collection of memories. If you are looking for a gift that is both creative and sentimental, this is the perfect choice. It allows you to express your love in a way that is both fun and meaningful. What people say. It was able to hold a lot of pictures and other things. The quality is pretty good, the paper it is made of is thick and the stickers it came with were a cute bonus. I think I ended up adding 40 plus pictures to the box and you can easily add more. Number 4. Vienrose Explosion Gift Box, Assembled Scrapbook Album. This explosion box arrives fully assembled, saving you time and effort. You can immediately start personalizing it with photos or drawings. It's a ready-to-go gift for any special occasion. The box expands to a generous size, with multiple layers to hold over 60 photos. Each layer is designed to accommodate different photo sizes, allowing you to create a unique display. It's perfect for showcasing memories. The innermost layer features a small box for a special gift. You can place items like jewelry or small keepsakes inside. This adds an extra element of surprise and personalization. The package includes the assembled box, fun cards, DIY cardboard, decorative flowers, tape, and stickers. It provides everything you need to create a beautiful and memorable gift. It's a complete package. Made from high-quality, durable cardboard, this box is built to last. It's an ideal gift for engagements, weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, and more. It's a thoughtful and lasting present. What we like? This explosion box comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort. It has a large capacity, holding over 60 photos, and features a double surprise with a hidden gift box inside. If you want a ready-to-go gift that's packed with surprises and can hold a lot of photos, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want a beautiful gift without the hassle of assembly. What people say. The DIY aspect allowed me to personalize it with our favorite photos and memories, making it truly special. The quality of the box is impressive, and the explosion effect when he opened it added a fun touch that really wowed him. The box is a great gift in itself if decorated and personalized. Number 3. Wanateber Explosion Box, DIY Photo Album Gift. This explosion box is a unique and heartfelt gift. It's perfect for showcasing cherished photos and creating lasting memories. You can personalize it to make it truly special. The box comes fully assembled, saving you time and effort. It includes everything you need to get started, from fun cards to decorative stickers. It's easy to customize and make your own. When folded, it's a compact package, but unfolds to reveal a stunning display. Inside, there's a small gift box for an extra surprise. It's a beautiful way to present your memories. Fill it with photos and heartfelt messages to create a truly unique gift. The included fun cards add an extra layer of creativity. It's perfect for any special occasion. We're confident you'll love this explosion box. If you have any issues, we offer a full refund or replacement. We're here to help you every step of the way. What we like? This explosion box comes with the main parts pre-assembled, so you can quickly start adding your personal touch. It includes fun cards to add a unique display and a small gift box for an extra surprise. If you are looking for a gift that is easy to customize and offers multiple layers of delight, consider this one. It's a great choice for creating a memorable and heartfelt present. What people say. The explosion box is beautifully designed and crafted. The box has multiple layers and compartments for photos and small gifts. It's a creative and unique gift idea. Number 2. Simple Orchard's Valentine's Day Nuts Gift Basket. This lavish nut gift basket is curated to perfection. It features premium almonds, roasted cashews, delectable pistachios, and honey-kissed peanuts. It's a symphony of flavors for any occasion. Experience the pleasure of gifting or receiving this meticulously arranged assortment. This gift package is more than just a treat, it's an expression of thoughtfulness. The blend of textures and flavors creates a symphony of delight. This nuts gift box boasts more than just flavor, it's a wholesome delight. Packed with nourishing almonds, protein-rich roasted cashews, vibrant pistachios, and the sweet allure of honey peanuts, it brings both indulgence and nourishment. Celebrate moments big and small with this nuts gift basket. Whether you're searching for a birthday surprise or a token of appreciation, this nut assortment caters to various preferences and dietary needs. Elevate your gifting game with a touch of gourmet elegance. Delight in the act of giving, knowing you're presenting a nut basket that's a testament to exceptional taste and quality. The diverse nut flavors are carefully curated to satisfy every craving, making it a perfect expression of care and affection. Elevate your gifting experience with it. What we like? This gift basket offers a gourmet collection of premium nuts, perfect for any occasion. It features healthy, kosher snacks, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone. If you want to give a gift that is both delicious and health-conscious, then this is the perfect option. It's a great way to show you care with a treat that everyone can enjoy. What people say. Comes carefully boxed ready for wrapping, and inside the assorted tray has a festive ribbon. Nut display varied and impressive. Taste commendable. Excellent presentation. Number 1. Cravings Gourmet Nuts Valentine's Gift Basket. Looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift? This gourmet nut gift basket is a great choice. It's filled with premium mixed nuts, perfect for sharing or enjoying alone. This gift box features a variety of high-quality nuts. They are carefully selected and arranged for a delightful experience. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who loves nuts. The basket is divided into 4 sections, offering a variety of flavors and textures. This allows the recipient to enjoy different types of nuts. It's a convenient and attractive gift. This gift basket is ideal for sharing with loved ones. It's a great way to show you care. It's a delicious and memorable gift for Valentine's Day. This collection is from Cravings Gourmet Nuts. It's a premium selection of nuts. This gift basket is sure to impress. What we like? This gift basket features a premium mix of nuts, beautifully arranged in a 4-sectional basket. It's designed to be the perfect Valentine's Day gift. If you're looking for a simple yet elegant gift to show your love, this is the perfect choice. It's a delicious and thoughtful way to celebrate the occasion. What people say. Great buy. Super fresh, great taste and texture and good color. Perfect size for parties and a healthy option. The packaging was bright. Delicious nuts. Such a nice variety. The section of candied nuts were especially yummy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.